Noah, say hello. Say hi. Can you say hi? What do you think? Show everyone what you're doing. Noah is helping her daddy work on his hiragana letters, right, Noah? Are these daddy's hiragana letters? Yes. What book is it, Noah? Noah, can you show Mama what book it is? Can I see the book? Thank you. Ooh, she loves this book, all about horses. Yeah, the Weaver girls gave that to you when you were born, didn't they? Yeah, see the horses? Hey, Noah. Can you give those babies kisses? Oh, you're gonna blow kisses. Noah, can you give the babies kisses? No? Can you get another book out? Yeah, there's a fun book. You like this book? Can you give the babies kisses? Give the baby a kiss. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Sweet of you. Yeah, is Noah gonna have a baby soon? Are you gonna have a baby? Oh, more kisses for the babies. You're so sweet. Whoa. Hey, Noah. Hey, Noah. Can you blow Mama a kiss? Thank you. Do you love reading books? Yes. Oh. Huh? Mm-hmm. Wow. Say, all done. All done. Do you want your toys? Oh, wow. Is that a ball? Is that the ball that Grandma got you? Go get it. Can you go get it? Go get your ball. How about this? Would you like your kitty-chan? Would you like your kitty-chan? Here you go. Oh, you love kitty-chan. Give her a kiss. Oh, you're so sweet. All right, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Can you blow some kisses? No, blow kisses with your hand. Blow kisses. Bye-bye.